Present day, Cleveland, Ohio, 1:24 p.m. Boardroom mayhem.
Who has the presentation?
I can't see anything.
I got this. It says, good morning, what?
We're doomed.
Don't worry, I have the presentation on my...
Swipey! SWIPEZE Man, to the rescue!
Thanks, Jim.
You're the best, Jim.
Who's Jim?
No, Jim, SWIPEZE Man!
Still a door there, Jim.
You're the greatest. Only second to SWIPEZE, Jim.
SWIPEZE has done it again.
Don't ask.
Owner's nephew.
SWIPEZE for everybody.
SWIPEZE. When cleanliness and clarity need to be your superpower, SWIPEZE never lets you down.